Imagine a digital currency, born as an internet joke, now rivaling the value of century-old corporations. What started as a playful experiment on online forums has evolved into a phenomenon that's impossible to ignore. This is the world of meme coins, where humor, internet culture, and financial speculation collide in unexpected ways. Meme coins, once dismissed as frivolous internet fads, have captured global attention and mobilized massive communities across continents. Their influence now stretches far beyond the digital world, impacting real economies and even charitable causes. They blend culture, technology, and finance, creating a space where a single viral image or meme can spark a multi-billion-dollar ecosystem almost overnight. As analyst John Insights says, "We are past the point of asking if meme coins have value. The market has already decided they do." Their price movements and headlines are now watched by investors and skeptics alike. The real question is no longer about legitimacy, but about longevity, which projects will last, and which will fade away as the hype dies down. Unlike traditional companies, meme coins derive their value from the strength of their communities, the power of their narrative, and their ongoing cultural relevance. They turn collective belief, internet humor, and viral trends into economic engines, funding real-world projects, tech development, and even social movements. The first meme coins thrived on hype and speculation, but a new generation is building real utility, decentralized apps, scaling solutions, and business partnerships that aim to solve real problems. This marks a turning point, separating fleeting trends from projects with the potential to reshape our digital economy and influence how we think about money itself. The meme coin paradox, both a joke and a serious financial instrument, continues to redefine how value is created, shared, and perceived in the digital age. The projects that adapt, innovate, and build real foundations are the ones set to leave a lasting impact, shaping the future of finance and technology for years to come. Among meme coins, Shiba Inu, SHIB, stands out for its ambition and evolution. Launched in 2020 as the Dogecoin killer, SHIB quickly captured the crypto community's imagination. What began as a playful experiment soon revealed a grander vision. A decentralized ecosystem powered by SHIB. The SHIB army, a passionate global community, propelled SHIB into the mainstream, transforming viral hype into lasting momentum. SHIB's anonymous founder, Ryoshi, envisioned an ecosystem with multiple tokens, a decentralized exchange, and even its own blockchain. This forward-thinking approach set Shiba Inu apart, signaling a shift from hype to building real-world applications and value. Today, Shiba Inu is a sprawling project with interconnected components, each adding utility and demand for its tokens. The story of SHIB is now about a decentralized community building a global financial ecosystem from the ground up. To understand Shiba Inu's evolution, look at its technological leap, Chibarium, its own Layer 2 scaling solution. Think of Chibarium as an express highway for the Ethereum blockchain. Faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions. This upgrade transforms SHIB from a simple token into a platform for innovation, enabling DeFi, NFT marketplaces, games, and more. Chibarium's lower fees and higher speeds empower developers to build new applications that were once impractical. Beyond infrastructure, SHIB is venturing into the Metaverse, aiming to create a vast, immersive virtual world with real economic activity. Partnerships with entertainment industry talent show SHIB's commitment to quality and mainstream appeal. Chibarium and the Metaverse together create a self-reinforcing loop: more users, more transactions, more demand for SHIB's tokens. This strategy positions Shiba Inu as a leader in the Web3 space. Shiba Inu's market performance is drawing attention for more than just its notorious volatility. The token, once seen as a meme coin, is now being watched closely by both retail and institutional investors for its evolving fundamentals. Recent trading surges are closely tied to Chibarium's impressive milestones. Rising transaction volumes and a steady increase in new wallets signal genuine on-chain activity and growing user adoption. Unlike the early days when price moves were mostly driven by hype and speculation, today's action reflects real, fundamental ecosystem developments and technological progress. Announcements about new partnerships or Chibarium upgrades now drive positive price action, showing that the market is maturing and responding to tangible progress. A key metric to watch is SHIB's burn rate, which has become a central focus for the community and analysts alike. Every Chibarium transaction removes tokens from circulation, creating long-term scarcity and potentially increasing value over time. This deflationary model excites investors, as a decreasing supply meets growing demand, fueling optimism for future price appreciation. The SHIB army tracks every burn milestone, celebrating each step toward greater value and a stronger ecosystem. Hype is now grounded in data. Shibarium growth, burn rates, and steady development updates are driving the narrative. Investors are focusing on utility milestones and real-world use cases, not just price spikes, a sign that SHIB is evolving into a data-driven long-term project with staying power. The conversation has shifted from when moon to what's the next utility milestone, a clear indicator of Shiba Inu's ongoing transformation and growing maturity in the crypto space. Shiba Inu is bridging the digital and physical worlds through strategic partnerships. Its collaboration with designer John Richmond brought SHIB into luxury fashion, showcasing its cultural relevance. SHIB is now accepted by thousands of merchants worldwide, thanks to payment processors like BitPay and No Payments. This transforms SHIB from a speculative asset into a practical payment method. Behind the scenes, SHIB's team partners with tech firms and Web3 projects to enhance security, features, and interoperability. These alliances build a robust, sustainable platform and boost SHIB's legitimacy. Real-world partnerships provide utility and powerful marketing, breaking the meme coin stereotype. When major brands partner with SHIB, it signals mainstream appeal and serious intent. Shiba Inu is redefining what a meme coin can achieve in digital commerce and culture. Shiba Inu's rise unfolds within the broader, rapidly evolving crypto landscape, where innovation and competition are constant. Every day, new projects emerge, but few capture the imagination and loyalty of a global community quite like SHIB. Rumors of major e-commerce giants like Amazon adopting SHIB fuel community excitement and anticipation for mainstream adoption. Even the possibility of such partnerships sparks conversations about the future of digital payments and how SHIB could play a role in everyday transactions. Regulatory uncertainty looms, but SHIB's focus on decentralization and community governance offers resilience. By empowering its holders, SHIB can adapt to changing rules and maintain its core values even as governments debate crypto's place in the financial system. The crypto industry is seeing blue-chip companies explore NFTs, the Metaverse, and blockchain, bringing capital and credibility. This influx of interest from established players signals a maturing market and new opportunities for projects like SHIB. As more brands enter Web3, SHIB's established ecosystem makes it a prime partner for corporate collaborations. Its strong brand identity and active user base are attractive to companies seeking to innovate in the digital space. By building its own Layer 2 solution, SHIB creates a self-sufficient ecosystem, less reliant on broader market swings. This technical advancement allows for faster transactions and lower fees, making SHIB more practical for real-world use. Real-world partnerships bridge crypto and traditional economies, expanding SHIB's reach. These collaborations help bring digital assets into everyday life, making crypto more accessible to the public. A strong, decentralized community provides a foundation to weather volatility and regulatory shifts. The passion and commitment of SHIB holders drive ongoing development and innovation. Shiba Inu isn't just surviving, it's shaping the future of digital infrastructure. Its influence is growing as it becomes a symbol of what's possible in decentralized finance and technology. The project is positioning itself as a key player in the next generation of the internet, aiming to redefine how value and information move across the globe. The future for Shiba Inu is filled with both opportunity and challenge. Shibarium's growth is central. Success depends on developer adoption and the quality of dApps built on the network. A breakout game or DeFi platform could propel the ecosystem to new heights. The launch of SHIB the Metaverse will be a major milestone, with a vibrant virtual economy driving demand for SHIB tokens. Strategic partnerships in gaming, entertainment, and e-commerce will further strengthen SHIB's brand and utility, the ultimate goal integration with a global payment or retail giant, cementing mainstream adoption. Shiba Inu has evolved from meme to movement, powered by innovation and a passionate community. As John Crypto Insights says, don't just watch the price, watch the progress. That's where the real story of SHIB is being written.